So this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a 2011 MC60B. It's a Volvo brand. It has joystick controls, auxiliary hydraulics. It's 2011, has 500 and something hours on it. The machine runs good. It doesn't have any problems with it. You can have the forks that are on it, or you can exchange them for a bucket. I'll give you a look in the cab. I'll walk around the sides, let you get a little better look at it. Sorry, I'm just a little cramped here for space. Our website is texasskidsteer.com, and you can go there and see all of our skid steers that we have for sale. This is a pretty good deal. It's $15,900 for 2011 model with 500 and something hours. That's just a pretty good deal. We are located in Springtown, Texas, which is about 20 miles west of Fort Worth, Texas, on Highway 199. You can call me at 817-726-7082. As you can tell, we've got a lot of other skid steers for sale. So, call me up, 817-726-7082, or go off of YouTube and go on to our website at texasskidsteer.com. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.